Today we'll be trimming this Rhaphilepsis indica, which is commonly known as hawthorn. The reason for pruning it today, it's a little bit messy with these long shoots on it, so we're pruning it lightly in winter. In 2 months' time it'll be flowering with these beautiful white flowers, so we don't want to cut that flower off. So when pruning a large hedge like this, about 30 metres long, it's hard to get a nice true line. So what I do is start on the bottom and do about 1/4 or less, just to get a nice line, to get our baseline in, so we can stand back and look at it, make sure we've got a true line. Then we do a sweep possibly up to about 1/3, which is a lot easier once we're working off that baseline right along the whole length. We'll always do the full length on each one just to get that true line. Then go as far as we can reach once we adjust the equipment to get that nice curve on the top. And then to finish off with, we would use the ladder to get that nice line on the top. As this hedge slopes down the hill, it's not level, we would stand back over in the paddock and have a look at the top of it just to make sure we get that nice true line right through the back.